Everybody, today at UPR Products, we're actually going to change the oil on an F150. You can see we have the sway bar here, and the problem with these, as you can see, is the oil is going to come out and make a big mess over this sway bar. We have a solution. The UPR Easy Oil Drain Plug. This has a spigot on there. You can put a 1/2-inch hose and direct the oil flow. So we're going to take the plastic drain plug out, and you got to use all kinds of manner of different kind of funnels and directors to try and keep it from making a mess. We'll take that oil out. Once we get it all drained out, we're going to put this new drain plug in. So the next time this truck gets an oil change, it's going to be super easy. We'll show you how it's done. So we're going to try and contain as much of the mess as possible. The drain plugs are a 1/4 turn, and when that guy opens, it's going to be on. All right, so as you can see, the factory style, now this is a factory replacement style, but this is not the yellow plug, but this is a replacement, has a single O-ring. The UPR drain plug has a double O-ring, Viton O-rings, a magnet on the bottom for inspection. We have our drain spigot here, which is going to accept a 1/2-inch hose, so the next time we do an oil change, we don't make a big mess like you usually do. And there's also a wave washer here. Now this wave washer right here is going to keep tension on this plug to keep it from coming out. When it gets installed, it's going to go in and turn, and it's going to lock in place positively. So this is way nicer than the factory plastic thing, which honestly probably gives a lot of folks anxiety. So what we did here is we drained our oil, made a good mess, and we cleaned up everything as far as we can go. And I'm wiping out the inside of the drain plug hole because we want to give the O-rings a nice clean spot for them to go into and have as little weepage as possible. So we're going to clean that out. Go ahead and put the drain plug in place. And like I said, it's going to push in and turn. And that's it. So now that's in place. The next time we change our oil, we'll simply unscrew the cap. So this cap will unscrew. This also has an O-ring on it. We'll also unscrew the drain, and the plug will actually stay in place when you put the hose on there. So it's going to be a much easier oil change next time around. So we're going to go ahead and make sure the drain is closed, turn that clockwise, the cap is closed clockwise. As you can see, it clears the F150 sway bar. So that's the UPR Easy Oil Drain Plug with the integral spigot. You're going to want to get yours at uprproducts.com or any UPR Products dealer. This is a must-have for F-150s. The next time you change your oil, put one of these in, save yourself a big headache.